Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and this is day 15 already. Day 15 of our Christmas Advent. Beth Ramsden, J Dolls UK, and Peace Crest Dolls with Tammy Powley and I got together and sent one another 8 packages. 8 times 3 is 24. It worked out perfect to do an Advent calendar opening 1 item per day. I can't thank these ladies enough. I have been receiving the nicest gifts. I am just elated. And now it's time to open another gift. Let me dig. Okay, here's one here. This one is from Beth, and I know from the packaging. This one I'm going to have to tear, and that's okay. It's a small package. You ever hear good things come in small packages? Oh, I can tell already. I can tell already good things. Oh my goodness, is this what I think? Oh my goodness, it is. Look at this hair bow. Oh, or clip, hair clip. Isn't that adorable? She also made this one with the fat cats. I absolutely love these, Beth. Thank you so much. My dolls are going to look so cute. And look here. How cute is that? It made Tammy's dress look very Christmassy. I'm going to show my dolls dressed in these items at the end. I hope you'll come back and watch that. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please go and watch Beth, Tammy, and Jay's videos too and see what they got today. Maybe it's from me. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.